thing I'm left with is a freaking, well, of course, a gang stalker. You know why that guy stand there? And that's a whole different subject, you know. We chosen because we kind of exist in a different dimension, the fifth dimension. Like I pointed out that you might say that's schizophrenia. No, it's not schizophrenia, it's not psychosis, so it's not delusion. It is a pattern in the nature that we tend to see consistently. This is consistent. That person interrupted me just when I was about to address the whole idea of being chosen. That whatever is in that person, know that the message I'm giving here today will help someone. Excuse me, is that COVID-19? I hope not. Here he comes again. So that's what chosen is. The ability to see beyond the veil. You have to see whatever is in this person, how it becomes infuriated by your presence.